Here, we will cover the Manage My Boater section. It has several useful tools available. The first tool lets you invite boaters to your dealership. There are two types of invitations. The first is the standard invitation, and the second is the smart invitation. Let's start with the standard invitation. It's very simple to use. In the standard invitation, we have two options. The first option is to create an open link. Any client who uses this link will be connected to your dealership. They will need to add their boat, their engines, and choose the tier they want. They will be linked to your dealership once they register and select a tier. You only need to create the link and send it to them. You can set the link to expire after 7 days, 14 days, and so on. The second option in the standard invite is to send an email invitation. This is a more targeted invitation for a specific boater you want to add to your dealership. Simply enter their email address, name, and how long the link should stay active, then send the invitation. The boater will receive the invitation by email. They just need to click the link, create a user account, and they will be connected to your dealership, just like with the open link. They will need to add their engines and choose the tier they want. You can manage your invitations and see all the invitations you have created. You can copy them, you can delete them, and you can filter by status and by type. The most powerful invitation option you can offer your boaters is the Smart Plan Invite. It takes a little more effort to set up, but it makes it much easier to add boaters to your dealership. For each boater you want to add, we go through a short setup process. We start by entering their boat name, for example, Demo Boat. Then we choose their brand, for example, D'Antonio, their model, for example, D32, and the year the boat was made, for example, 2023. We choose the version, for example, Standard, and we can fill in the hull identification number. This is optional. Next, we choose the number of engines they have. For example, if they have 2 engines. Now we go to the tool for search the exact engines they have. We start look up their engine. One option is to type in the model number. First, we need to select the engine manufacturer and then search by model number. If we don't know the model number, we can use the advanced options. Here we can enter the horsepower, for example, 200, and the series, for example, V10 Verado. We can also set the shaft length, for example, extra long. In the serial range, we have several options to choose from. The engine year can be set, for example, to 2009. Now we just need to pick the correct one. If you can't find your engine due to one of the selected filters, click the X on any filter to remove it and refine your search. You can also completely update your filters by clicking Edit Search. Once we select the engine, we set its position, such as starboard or port. If there are more than 2 engines, more position options will appear. We can also enter the serial number, warranty end date, and any notes, then confirm the engine. For this demo demonstration, we will skip the second engine for now. It is important to define the engines correctly, as this enables Marine Chat AI to deliver broader, more accurate, and more relevant information. Next, we will see a recommendation for which tier to suggest to the boater. We can offer a yearly subscription or a monthly subscription, and whichever we select will be shown first when the boater opens the invitation. We just need to choose one, for example, the Platinum Monthly option. Then we enter the boater's name and email and send the invitation. That's all it takes to send a smart invitation. Once boaters are added, we can manage them here. In the dashboard, we can see the number of boaters we have, the number of boats we have, and the active subscriptions we have. If we go to the boat section, we will see the list of all the boats under our dealership. There is an important difference between permissions, whether a boat is set to view only or can manage. The default permission, when a customer is assigned to our dealership, is view only. This means we can only view the boat. We cannot edit it, add products, add documents, or change any details about the boat. If the boater manually grants us permission from their account, the boat will show as can manage, and we will be able to edit the boat details. We can also go to the home page to access documents and products and add them to the boat. The Marine Chat AI and part request features will be covered in another video. The quote management and repower requests will be activated in Phase 2.